Living in Florence, you're no stranger to unpredictable weather. From summer thunderstorms to the occasional hurricane, the weather can sometimes be intense, putting your home's safety and structural integrity at risk. One of the best ways to protect your home from extreme weather conditions is by upgrading to impact-resistant windows and doors. These specially designed windows and doors are made to withstand strong winds, flying debris, and other severe weather events, ensuring that your home stays safe and secure. But the benefits of impact-resistant windows and doors go beyond just storm protection. They provide numerous advantages in terms of security, energy efficiency, and even comfort. Here's why impact-resistant windows and doors are a smart investment for homeowners in Florence. Protection against severe weather. Florence, like many parts of the southeast U.S., is prone to tropical storms and hurricanes. High winds and flying debris are the leading causes of storm damage, and vulnerable windows and doors can be easily shattered or broken by the force of a storm. Impact-resistant windows and doors are specifically designed to withstand these extreme conditions. These products are constructed with stronger glass and reinforced frames that prevent the glass from shattering upon impact. In the event of flying debris or high winds, impact-resistant windows and doors act as a barrier, keeping your home safe from the dangers of storm damage. This added layer of protection can significantly reduce the risk of structural damage, water intrusion, and broken glass. Enhanced security. In addition to protecting your home from severe weather, impact-resistant windows and doors also provide extra security against break-ins and burglaries. Standard windows and doors can be easily compromised, especially if they are older or made from weaker materials. However, impact-resistant windows and doors are designed to be incredibly difficult to break. The laminated glass used in impact-resistant windows is highly resilient and remains intact even if the outer layer is shattered. This makes it much harder for intruders to gain access to your home, offering an added level of protection for both your family and your valuables. Impact-resistant windows and doors provide peace of mind, knowing that your home is more secure against potential break-ins. Energy efficiency. Another significant benefit of impact-resistant windows and doors is their energy efficiency. Florence experiences hot, humid summers, and your HVAC system is likely working overtime to keep your home cool and comfortable. Traditional windows and doors, especially older models, are less efficient when it comes to keeping the outside air from entering and the cool air from escaping. Impact-resistant windows and doors are typically double or triple glazed, with a layer of air or gas between the panes of glass that acts as an additional thermal barrier. This helps regulate the temperature inside your home, preventing heat transfer and reducing your reliance on air conditioning. As a result, your home stays cooler during the summer and warmer during the cooler months, helping to lower energy bills and improve comfort year-round. Noise reduction. Florence can be a lively city with the hustle and bustle of daily life, and if you live in a busy neighborhood or near a main road, you may be familiar with the constant noise pollution that can make it difficult to relax. One of the lesser-known benefits of impact-resistant windows and doors is their ability to reduce outside noise. The thicker, laminated glass used in impact-resistant windows and doors acts as a natural sound barrier, reducing the amount of external noise that enters your home. Whether it's traffic, construction, or neighborhood activity, impact-resistant windows and doors can make your home quieter and more peaceful, providing a better quality of life and enhanced privacy. Increased home value. Investing in impact-resistant windows and doors not only offers immediate benefits in terms of safety and comfort, but it can also increase the value of your home. Homebuyers today are looking for homes with features that provide long-term protection, energy savings, and modern security. Impact-resistant windows and doors are a highly desirable feature for prospective buyers, particularly in areas prone to severe weather. By upgrading your windows and doors, you're not only enhancing your home's curb appeal but also increasing its overall value. Should you decide to sell your home, these upgrades can make your property stand out from the competition and attract buyers who appreciate the added protection and efficiency. Durability and longevity. Impact-resistant windows and doors are built to last. Unlike traditional windows and doors that may become worn or damaged over time, impact-resistant options are made from durable materials that are designed to withstand harsh conditions. This means they require less maintenance and will continue to perform well for many years. With proper installation and care, impact-resistant windows and doors can provide decades of reliable protection, making them a smart investment for homeowners who want to safeguard their home against future storms and other potential threats. Conclusion: why impact-resistant windows and doors are essential for Florence homes. In Florence, where severe weather can strike at any time and security is always a concern, impact-resistant windows and doors are more than just a luxury, they're an essential upgrade. From protecting your home against storms and break-ins to improving your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and value, the benefits of impact-resistant windows and doors are clear. By upgrading to impact-resistant windows and doors, you're not only enhancing the safety and comfort of your home, but you're also investing in its long-term durability and overall value. Whether you're looking to improve your home's storm protection, reduce your energy costs, or increase privacy, impact-resistant windows and doors offer the comprehensive solution you need. Make the smart choice for your home and family today by installing impact-resistant windows and doors for a more secure and comfortable future.